This is Paul from Wondershare MobileTrans, the best secure phone-to-phone transfer software that has helped over 500,000 users transfer, backup, and restore data between their phones. In today's video, we'll be sharing some of the main reasons and perks for having a WhatsApp business account, including global reach and better customer care. And once you get started, you'll probably be interested in transferring your chat data from an iPhone to an Android. And so in today's video, we'll be taking you through the steps for migrating the chat data from an iPhone to an Android, for example, a Samsung phone. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with all our latest videos. And while you're at it, you can take part in our amazing social media giveaway, Join the Battle, where you can enter for your chance to win your dream phone. Just click the link down below in the description for your chance to be our winner. To no surprise, WhatsApp Business is a really popular and influential social media and marketing tool, and that's one of the main reasons Facebook bought it in 2014. And now with its deep integration with Facebook and its existing user base, it's a really great tool for businesses to take advantage of. And so to start, here's some of the main reasons you might want to try WhatsApp Business for yourself. First, as a whole, WhatsApp is the most popular messaging app out there, giving weight to its claim that it's one of the best social marketing platforms. Aside from texting, voice, and video calls, users also use the app to share videos, files, and other media. And with so many users on WhatsApp, it's a great tool to find and grow your target audience in no time. One of the main reasons WhatsApp is such a great marketing tool is its permission-based marketing criteria. Companies are able to find their target market, send them messages directly, and get a high engagement rate from them. And then the recipients can choose whether or not they want to engage with those messages if they're interested. Its open message rate is 99%, and those who engage further are 70%. WhatsApp exceeds Facebook's engagement rate, which is only at 9%. Let's go ahead and discuss some of the methods for transferring the important chat data that you have from an iPhone to an Android phone. Although WhatsApp Business has been out for several years, there isn't a native way for transferring that data. WhatsApp Business does have an integrated way to back up and restore your data. However, that's only going to be between Android to Android or iPhone to iPhone, but no mixing. With WhatsApp Business being very team-based, there's a good chance that one of your users is going to switch between those devices. Suppose they have an iPhone 13 and they want to switch to the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you heavily rely on WhatsApp Business, you might be hesitant to make that switch, or you might run into roadblocks trying to make the switch. The good news is WhatsApp has released a feature to allow users to restore their chat data from an Android to an iPhone. That said, it is still currently in development and it's only available on Samsung phones running the latest Android 10 or higher. It is officially available on the latest Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, so if you're considering switching from an iPhone to that device, you don't need to worry about losing your chat data. This feature will slowly roll out to other Android phones, allowing users to easily transfer their data to iPhones without the need for third-party software. Until that update becomes readily available, here are 3 methods for transferring your WhatsApp data from one phone to another. The first method is one of the most straightforward, but can be the most time-consuming depending on how large your data transfer is. You will only be able to do this after your Samsung is either factory reset or brand new. You won't need any third-party apps in this process if you have enough patience. And since the Samsung phone is either new or factory reset, you will start the phone setup process. After you complete the setup, you'll see the option to transfer from another device. Once you click yes, the phone will automatically install the Smart Switch app by Samsung to assist the data migration. This process is not exclusive to WhatsApp data. All you'll need is a USB-C to Lightning cable in your new Samsung phone. First, connect the iPhone and the Samsung phone via the USB-C to Lightning cable. With the application running, you'll get a QR code on your Samsung phone. Scan that code on your iPhone. After you start the transfer, your Samsung will install and launch the WhatsApp application. Launch WhatsApp on your new Samsung phone after the data process is completed and log in with your previous account number. It will then begin the transfer process and show you its progress. When it's finished, your chat history, shared data, and all conversations will be loaded on your new phone. Again, while this process isn't necessarily complex, it can be very time-consuming, and if you don't have the ability to restore or start from a brand new phone, it might not be plausible. If you're looking for a more flexible and advanced tool for transferring your WhatsApp data from one phone to another, that also grants you the ability to select specific files that you either want or do not want during the transfer process, you can use our Wondershare MobileTrans app. In addition to WhatsApp, it can also transfer data from other social media apps, including Viber, Kik, WeChat, and Line. And so especially if you have several social media accounts that you're trying to migrate at once, this can be a great choice. First, download the MobileTrans app on your Windows or Mac. Connect your iPhone and your Android to the laptop to begin the process. Choose the WhatsApp transfer option and then click WhatsApp Business Transfer. After choosing the data that you want to transfer, click Start. If you're looking to move your business chats from an iPhone to a Samsung, make sure that the iPhone is chosen as the source device. with your Samsung S22 or any other Android device as the destination. And if the devices are backward, simply click the flip button to fix it. After clicking start, the data process transfer will begin. During the process, make sure to keep both devices connected. And after the backup is complete, we can start with the chat transfer. You'll then see a pop-up window with instructions informing you how to properly set up permissions to allow the process to complete. After following these instructions, click Next. MobileTrans will complete the rest of the process, and then you'll see all your messages on your new device. Now, if you either don't have access to or don't want to use a laptop or a Mac, we have a Wutsapper tool, which will allow you to do the process directly from one phone to the other. And now with the tool supporting WhatsApp business chats, it's a great choice. First, connect your Android to your iPhone with a USB cable. Open Wutsapper on your iPhone and authorize it to access your device. Click Start to Copy, and the app will transfer the WhatsApp backup package on your iPhone to your Android phone. The Wutsapper tool will then convert the iPhone backup package to an Android-supported format. You'll now be taken through the process of restoring this backup on your new device. Backing up and transferring WhatsApp business data has been one of the most asked about and requested features on our YouTube channel. Before even being fully available within the WhatsApp business app, it's now available with our MobileTrans tool. That's it for today's video. I hope it's helped you out with your transfer process. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below. And until the next one, we'll catch you later.